Dear students, this video of Going to School Part 3 is brought to you by Aryabhatt National Public School. In this part of the video, we will learn about different means by which students go to school in the different part of our country, or they travel using these means to visit their relatives, market or fair in Kerala. Students use a small wooden boat called Vallam. Here you can see in the picture, they use these Vallams to go to school in Kerala. Vallam is a small boat made of wood. There are some questions regarding this. The first question is, have you seen any other kind of boats? Do you have seen any other kind of boats? The boat here shown is made of wood. Have you seen any other kind of boat? If yes, then write yes, I have seen. And what is it made of? Just write it. The second question is, can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? If you want to travel on water for crossing a river, for crossing a pond, do you can you think any other way by which we can travel on water? We can use motorboats that you have seen in lot of movies or cartoon. We can use that motorboat also to travel on water. The next means that students use in Rajasthan is a camel cart. Here you can see it resembles like a bullock cart or a horse cart called tanga. They are common, very familiar with you. This camel cart is used by students to go to school in Rajasthan. On this camel cart, there is a question. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage, tanga? Where did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? The question is asking, have you ever sat on in a camel cart or a horse carriage? If you have sat in a horse carriage, then your answer should be yes. And I think every one of us has sat in the horse carriage. Where you have sat in your village, in your relative's place, in market, that you have to write it. The next part of the question is, did you climb on it yourself? Did you climb that horse carriage or camel cart by yourself? If yes, then write it yes, I climbed on it myself. Or did someone help you? If somebody, your parents, your grandparents, your elder brother, sister, if anybody helped you in climbing that carriage, horse carriage, then write it yes, this one this family member of mine helped me. The next question is, how did you feel riding in the cart? Also, share your experience in the class. The first part of the question is asking, if you ride a camel cart or a horse carriage, how did you feel it? It was exciting or it was boring? You have to explain it. The second part of the question is that you have to share your experience with your class. When school will open, you can share it with your friends in your class. The next means by which students use to go to school or go to market or go to fair or go to their relatives is bullock cart. I think every one of us has seen this bullock cart, because in our area quite often people use, not only for carrying students, they use to carry lot of things. They use the help of bullock cart in fields to carry something, grains. We ride this bullock cart in the plains. There are some questions regarding this bullock cart also that we will try to answer it. The first question is, do you have bullock carts where you live? Where you live, near your home, is there any bullock cart? Anyone? Do you have, or your neighbor have, or somebody else near your home have bullock cart? If yes, then write it. Yes, there there is a bullock cart near where I live. I will provide you all the answers, but here we are explaining it. The second question is, does it have a roof? Does It is asking about the bullock cart. Does a bullock cart have a roof? Just like cars, just jeep, buses. Does a bullock cart have a roof? No, bullock cart doesn't have a roof. The next question is, what kind of wheels do they have? It's asking about, again, the question is about bullock cart. What kind of wheels do they have? In the picture here, the bullock cart have a wooden wheel, but nowadays all the bullock carts doesn't have wooden wheels. They have iron rims, and that iron rims are covered with rubber wheel, tires and tubes that make it easy to travel that bullock cart. The next question is, make a drawing of the cart in your notebook. So please make a drawing of a bullock cart in your notebook. The next means which we use to go to school is a bicycle. I think every one of you enjoy a bicycle ride. In earlier days, especially the girls were not allowed to go to school. But nowadays, government is providing bicycle to them, and these girls ride their bicycles and go to school in groups. The question here is, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? If you ride a bicycle, then your answer should be yes. If you don't, then no. If yes, if you ride a bicycle, who taught you to ride? Your parent, your elder brother, your sister. You have to write the name that my elder brother, my sister, my father taught me to ride a bicycle. The next question is, how many children come on bicycle to your school? In particular your school, there are very few students that come to school on bicycle, but on the other schools there are a lot of children's use bicycle to go to school. Thank you for watching. In rest we will do in the next part of the video.